the suspensions have affected players. They are looking like they are more conscious of not following through quite as hard maybe as they did in the past.
Stars win the draw. Sarai Wine shoots, scores. Oh my! If you blinked, you missed it. That was a rocket. Into the top corner that ties the game at 2.
I blinked.
You didn't see it.
I saw it coming this way. Yeah, you know, and again, you watch the controlled nature of it. It's almost a half slap. As he comes across, he looks, sees traffic in front. I mean, it just sizzles. Lots of bodies. I mean, there's people everywhere. There's no way the goalie can see it. But, like, when you see somebody that skates faster than everyone else in the league nowadays, they're